Hi, I'm Becky. It's time for another story from Africa.
Today we are reading from the book Tamed by Trees by Rebecca Wanjiku, and our story today is Thandi and Tito. Thandi and Tito were twins. Thandi was 20 minutes older than her brother Tito. They lived with their parents in a lovely red brick house at the foot of Mulanje Mountain. There was a tree outside their house and a bench below it. Thandi and Tito would use the bench to climb on the tree and sit on the strong branches. From there, they could see far away from their home. They could see the blue roof of their school. They could see Mr. Kano's compound over the neat K-apple fence. They could see Kema the blacksmith on his bicycle from far off. Often, Papa would sit on the bench reading a newspaper. Thandi and Tito would run around chasing each other or playing with their dog Bruno. Sometimes Mama would sit on the bench leaning on the tree trunk with her eyes closed. She told them it makes her feel peaceful. When the moon was full, the family would sit outside after dinner. Bruno would be lying quietly at their feet. Mama would point out to the sky and show them stars. See the one that looks like a kite without a string? That's Capricorn. Mama told them they would be taught more in their science class. Papa said they would see more stars if they had a telescope. Can we get a telescope? Both Thandi and Tito asked at the same time. Papa explained that a telescope cost a lot of money, but he would try. For months, the children asked every evening whether he had bought the telescope. At the corner of their front yard was a vegetable garden. On weekends, Papa would water the trees and trim the fence, and Mama would be in the garden. She would call the children to join her and learn. This is a weed and you pull it out and leave it on the ground. This is coriander. It makes our food smell and taste better. One day, Tito asked, "Why do you grow these vegetables, Mama?" "They make our hands and feet dirty." "Why don't we buy them from the market like Mrs. Kano does?" Mama explained that food grown at home was healthier and they could eat it fresh. "We also sell some to our neighbors and get some money," she added. "Can I plant my own garden there?" asked Tito, pointing to an open area. "We will get more vegetables." "That is a great idea, Tito," Mama said. "I want one too," added Thandi. That evening after dinner, they sat outside stargazing again. They all sat quietly until Thandi broke the silence. "Papa, do not worry. Tito and I will plant a garden. We will have more vegetables to sell and we will have money to buy the telescope." Papa reached out to Thandi and hugged her tightly. Then he opened a slim carton box he was holding on his lap. He pulled out a telescope and gave it to her. Both Tito and Thandi jumped on their feet with joy. Bruno joined in the excitement, running around, barking and wagging his tail. The children took turns to look into the telescope, pointed to the sky, and shout happily. When they sat down again, Tito said, "Thank you so much, Mama and Papa. The sky looks beautiful through the telescope. I will plant spinach, coriander, and carrots because they grow quickly. I want to save a lot of money and buy a bigger telescope. I want to be an astronaut when I grow up." "Me too!" shouted Thandi. Their parents hugged them and they all went into the house to sleep. The book Tamed by Trees is available as an ebook and paperback. You can buy online on Amazon or from distributors in Kenya, Uganda, and South Africa through the links on the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Bye bye and see you again soon.